From routine oil changes to spark plug replacements, regular auto maintenance includes it all. The throttle body service is a necessary but frequently disregarded task. Even though it's crucial to perform on occasion, very few people do so until something goes wrong. In this guide, I look at the benefits of routine throttle body maintenance. I also go over how frequently it ought to be done. I go over the fundamental procedures for cleaning the car's throttle body yourself at the end of this guide. And just before we start, please ensure you've subscribed to the channel. What is throttle body service? Cleaning the throttle blade and bore is part of throttle body maintenance. Any dirt or debris in the body can reduce power and acceleration because the throttle controls the airflow. The engine should run cleaner and more smoothly after cleaning. The majority of people decide to clean the throttle body in their home garage. Visiting a professional shop is only necessary if you are unsure of what to do because there are specific products made for this task. How often should I get throttle body service? Although the majority of manufacturers do not specify a recommended interval, some individuals advise having the throttle body serviced every 75,000 miles. Rather, it's crucial to think about the service whenever you observe any signs that the throttle body is unclean. Any dirt accumulation that needs to be cleaned up will be discovered during a physical examination. Performance problems should also become apparent as the throttle body gets contaminated. The idle may get rougher or higher. Additionally, the car might have trouble accelerating. You may notice a decrease in fuel efficiency, and the check engine light may illuminate when the motor isn't operating properly. Is throttle body service needed? If your car is running smoothly, you might not need throttle body service. However, keeping the throttle body clean has significant benefits. The air intake system in your vehicle pulls air into the combustion chamber, mixing it with fuel for proper combustion. The throttle body controls how much air is added to the fuel. If it gets dirty with carbon deposits, the air-fuel ratio becomes imbalanced, causing the engine to run rough and increasing fuel costs. Cleaning the throttle body is easy and can be part of your regular maintenance. You can even do it yourself with the right products. How to clean the throttle body. Prepare materials. Choose the right throttle body cleaner by reading customer reviews. Gather protective gear like gloves, eye protection, and clothing that covers your body. Park the vehicle on level ground and work outside in daylight. Find the throttle body. Locate the throttle body between the air cleaner and intake manifold. If needed, ask a friend to press the accelerator while the motor is off to identify it. Remove air duct. Disconnect the battery's ground terminal for safety. Remove hoses and electrical wires attached to the throttle body, labeling them for reassembly. Remove the air duct using a Phillips or Torx screwdriver. If you can't remove the air ducts, seek professional help. Spray cleaner. Wear protective gear and spray the cleaner into the air duct of the throttle body. Use a brush to scrub deposits and dirt, and wipe the surface clean with paper towels. Use a flashlight and cotton swab for tight spaces. Reassemble the vehicle. Reconnect all ducts and tighten clamps. Clean up tools. Reconnect the car battery and dispose of safety equipment and dirty paper towels. Start the vehicle and allow for a readjustment period. Take a test drive. Let the engine idle for about 5 minutes before taking a test drive. Observe any changes in engine performance. Hope this information is helpful for you. If so, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel.